Long week, good week though. Ready to play some Dark Souls? It's been so long. I'm ready, boy. Let's get it. Yeah, I still got it. I think I still got it. All right. I still got a little action. Ooh. Ooh. Took some damage there. That's Let's make this damn video. What's up, guys? I'm back after another 2 weeks of being in code school. My hair is longer, I'm more confident than ever, and I'm back with week 16 and 17's recap. Let's get it. So you guys may be wondering, what is Jordan doing to get this longer, luscious hair? You're probably not, but I'm gonna go ahead and get into this week 16 like I said. Alright, so with this being the last 2 weeks of the month of October, it was actually pretty hectic, and this is like the meat of like everything. Now, I do expect November to be, if not as tough, maybe a little softer. Who knows? It's our last full month. But in week 16, it was project week. It was not project review. We worked on our projects that entire week. So we had a Python project. Actually, we're working with Django, which is utilized through Python, and the idea was to make an expense tracker. So just think of like any mobile banking apps that allow you to see anything you're allowed to deposit, or if you have an expense for something. An expense tracker. You want to know where your money is going. I have a legitimate working expense tracker. I have to find a way to show you guys that. Oh! And I'll be able to do so because now my portfolio site is public, but I'm gonna get into that in a second. So day 1, day 2, rewind. Day 1, we work on our project, and we also had open house, and this is the same for the day 2. And I actually had one of my coworkers who I nominated for next year's class to come into the open house. We got to sit down, we got to chat with all these people, tell them a little bit about the program, meet some of the new faces that'll be coming in. I'm excited. I like the people that were coming in. But that was day 1 and day 2. Day 3, we registered for our JavaScript certification test, and we also had 2 soft skill speakers. The first one was Miss Rhonda from First Tennessee Bank, and she came in and talked to us more about finances, because that's important when you're about to get another job that pays you a lot more money than all the crap jobs I've been working. And she was talking to us about, checkings and savings, what to do with the checking and savings. And another thing that's probably interesting that most people should do is using CDs or certificates of deposits. And there's like even multiple accounts for that. We got like regular CDs, add-on CDs, a rate climber CDs, jumbo CDs. I'm not going to get into the detail of all that stuff because I barely remember it, but I have a pamphlet that'll let me know everything I need to know. And you guys can go to First Tennessee Bank too and get a pamphlet all about that. And there's other services they have for investing money. So get at your local bank, not just First Tennessee, but probably credit unions or other large banks. And then the second soft skill speaker was Miss Kanisha Singfield, who's with Style and Grace, her own company, helps people get like resumes together, cover letters, just pretty much stuff to help you get job ready and more presentable for employers. So, they're not just immediately flipping through all these stacks of resumes and not pass up over yours. So she came in talking about building a brand, how everybody has a brand. I guess in a situation like this is my brand because I am making a face for everybody to see. I don't know. You guys like my videos, and I push them out every 2 weeks now, so I guess it's the startup of a brand. And it's called JP Develops, so that sounds like a brand, right? Anyways, she came in and talked to us a little bit about that. She's gonna be back another time to help us out with our resumes, cover letters, layouts, and all that stuff, so we don't get necessarily passed up so easily when we are applying for jobs. So next, we have day 4 and day 5. So in day 4, we finally got to set up our websites. Now, currently, it is just an IP address, And technically, if you have that IP address, you could just go to my website. I'm not gonna give you my IP address, so we're gonna wait until I actually have my domain name linked to it. And then we did a little more review. Not review, I'm lying. That was a week ahead. But that was also what we did on day 4. And then day 5, we were picking out domain names. Have not been set up yet, and we had more time to work on our project. And this project was difficult. Like, I thought last month's project was kind of meaty, but this one takes the cake. I've never sat in front of a computer for 6 hours, and have only done like 2% of damage to this expense tracker. And I was just like, I don't know what's going on. But that was pretty much what happened for all of week 16. All right, so week 17, complete JavaScript review, because the test is coming up, and it's coming fast, and it's coming hard. It's pretty dirty. Let's not think about that. Day 1, JavaScript review. Day 2, JavaScript review. Day 3, JavaScript review. But we also had to learn about regex too, because we had a question involving regular expressions, and all of us were just like, that's not even correct syntax. Who knows what that is? To our disbelief, it totally was syntax that was understood by the computer. And I was like, well, I'll be damned. I am stupid again. But I mean, that just happens when you don't know everything. So we learned about regex in day 3. In day 4, we learned more about regex, and guess what? More JavaScript review. Now it is November the 2nd, day 5, JavaScript test. JavaScript test. Let me tell you, I was so nervous going in. I showed up like an hour, maybe a little less time than that before my test, and I was just freaking out. But it's okay, because I had some support, and I also had a cappuccino and a blueberry muffin. Set it off. It set it off. I also got a lot of sleep that day. Set everything up right. And I was so happy, because when I came back out the test, your boy passed. Your boy has passed. But let me tell you how I really felt when I came out the test. Okay, this is how I really felt. Yeah. Oh yeah. In addition to passing the test, Miss Singfield came back in this week to help us out with critiquing our resumes, using action words, knowing what to actually put into a resume. Like, I never thought you can make such a low-level job sound so enticing until she showed us a resume for a dishwasher. I mean, a chief sanitary technician. Literally the same thing. Almost. A chief sanitary technician is somebody you want to hire, not a dishwasher. But that's pretty much what happened in all of week 16, week 17. I'm pretty sure I'm going to go over my time because I've had like 2 cups of coffee in one, whatever. Anyways, this upcoming week, I have no idea what we're going to go over, but it sounds like it's going to be a fun time. It's November. I don't have to worry about JavaScript testing no more, so there's a little stress off. My project is done, so a little less stress off some more. So I get like probably a couple weeks to reset. Who knows? You guys just stay tuned. In a couple of weeks, I'll have another review for week 18, week 19. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Comment if you like it. And share the video. You never know who's like really into this stuff. So, oh, and talk to me. Please talk to me. I'm lonely, guys. I'm so lonely. No, but seriously, I like to talk to people. Again, like, comment, share, get at me. You guys have a good rest of the day, night, morning. I do this every time. So just, whatever time of the day you happen to be watching this video, just, have a good one. See you guys!